What is up, JT? Back with another fragrance review, and guys, I have a super goated product right now. It is none other than Armani Code Parfum. Now, why am I bringing up Armani Code Parfum? It's overused, it's oversprayed, everybody has it. No, not everybody has a Parfum version because they choose to opt out for the cheaper version, like the EDT or the EDP. But this is the Parfum, which means it is more refined, it is more oily, it is lasts longer on skin, it smells deeper, it's better. This is the 4 ounce, guys, and this ran me about 125 bucks from Joma Shop. But if you go to Amazon, they have it for the same price. And I ordered another bottle from them recently, and actually this is it. The other one I have is actually at my house from Joma Shop, but this is straight from Amazon with the link I use, and there's nothing wrong with it. It's cheap. Don't go to Dillard's. Don't buy fragrances from a retail place. You're gonna pay retail prices. Like when I asked somebody who worked there, they said it was $185. Don't buy it. Just wait a little bit, order from Amazon, and get a good deal on it. Now, why am I recommending this? I'm recommending Armani Code because it's a very versatile fragrance. It's a very liked fragrance. There's not a single person on earth that I have met that has said to me, bro, that smells bad. Or, hey, it smells really bad, dude. No, like everybody that I've been around when I sprayed this was just saying how sweet and how good and woody this fragrance was. I've never got a bad response from this. One of the best, most likable fragrances out there right now. And yes, some people may say that it's overused. Some people may say that everybody has it, but I find that not true because a lot of people have Dior Sauvage, a lot of people have Versace Eros, a lot of people, at least from here, a lot of people have Coach Platinum or whatever it is now. They all have Invictus. They all have Polo. I mean, but Armani Code is kind of like a hidden gem. You can wear this when it's cold. You can wear it when it's hot. You can wear this in the morning, and by the time it hits 4, you're still projecting a little. So, but if you're going to go somewhere, yes, spray a little more because you're going to need it. But like for a day in office fragrance, the people are going to love you. They're going to love the way this smells. It's just an all-around perfect fragrance. Now, the atomizer, it's even better. Like, it doesn't get any better than this. I'm going to spray this real quick because it's one of my favorite atomizers. Look. Yeah, it mists. It's a very misty fragrance. Like, you spray it and it's like, it's misty. It's a good fragrance. The one downside to this is if you spray too much on a sensitive area is it'll get a little red. It gets a little itchy. Holy cow, it smells good in here. Guys, this fragrance, I mean, I don't know how to explain it. This is just such a good fragrance. Like, on the very low chance that you haven't smelled this yet, you're going to love it once you smell it. And you're going to project like a mofo, guys. If you're in between fragrances right now, like if you don't know what to wear, you need a daily fragrance. You don't want to wear your super expensive one, but you also don't want to wear your gym one. Armani Code Parfum. Yes, you can opt for a smaller bottle. Yes, you can get a smaller travel size, but because honestly, this will last you forever. I do one spray here, one behind the ear, another behind the ear. Then I do one on my arm, 2 on my chest, and then 1 on the back of the neck. Yes, that is a lot for some of you, but I only spray this once a day. I don't have to keep coming back to it. Spray it again. No, this is just one you spray once a day. And this is a classic. It's not going to offend anybody, although it might. It's not going to offend, but this like makes statements when it's here. Like you walk in and they're like, oh, it's that guy again. It just smells so like good and masculine, I guess is how you say it. So there's going to be some guys that'll smell you and just be like, man, I hate that guy. But just deal with it. I mean, it's such a good fragrance. It doesn't even matter. I haven't met a single girl that hates this fragrance. They'll like it. And it's not even like a, yeah, that's all right. It's like a, that's really good. What is that one? That's what they say. What is that fragrance you're wearing? That one smells really good today. That's what they say. So yeah, that's what I have to say about this. It's $185 for a Parfum version. And you can wear it day and night, whenever you want. Just go to Dillard's, smell it. Go test some fragrances, guys. And just Figure it out. But Armani Code Parfum, one of the best out there. You can hardly go wrong. You can never go wrong. It's a black tie fragrance. It's a gym fragrance if you want. It's a collared shirt fragrance. It's an office fragrance. It's a church fragrance. Guys, this can literally be your entire scent profile, and you don't even have to think about it. It's just, and then you're done. That is it. Armani Code Parfum. Guys, you heard it here. Armani Code Parfum. This is not a fragrance that is like, this is honestly a fragrance when you smell it for the first time. This will honestly kind of blow you away. So get it, smell it, experience it. And guys, hit the link, please, because it helps us. Hit the like, hit the sub, support the channel in any way you can. And that is JT back with another fragrance review, and I'm out.